Locate the properly labeled window retainers for your section. Starting at the bottom, remove retainer clips. Remove only one side at a time to prevent the glass falling out. Snap the window retainers into place, placing the glass side lip first. Use a soft mallet, dead blow hammer, or your hands to ensure a proper fit. Pull back the top horizontal gasket when placing the vertical inserts to ensure a proper fit. When installing the gasket, be sure angled side faces toward the window and the thinner side faces indoors. Seat the gasket at the middle using your hands and then work it outward and away from the middle until fully seated. Add another length to the vertical section and trim excess, leaving enough length to meet the bottom section.